Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are DIYing car seats. I don't know why, but like I just had a really impulsive idea that I really wanted like leopard print car seats because these are so boring, and my car is also a work car that I use for cleaning, so I really hate my car. Like it just reminds me of going to work. Mute that. So I want to like spice it up, put some car seats in here. There is like one listing on Amazon that is over $200 and I'm not spending $200 when I can just do it myself. Like what the fuck. Anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna do leopard print or something else because like there is a lot of fabric in like the store that I'm gonna go to. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to afford to do my whole car, but like even if I just do one seat, I'm happy with that. Like that's still an upgrade. Okay, we had to make a quick eyeliner stop because my eyeliner at home has like run out. And ever since I've been watching Tara Yummy on YouTube, I'm not gonna lie, I've literally been doing the black eyeliner under my eyes. This is just like my new no makeup look. Low-key inspired by Tara Yummy. Okay guys, let's go get the material. The music here is fucking really annoyingly loud. I'm hoping that they have a good selection of material, like, because they have this, but this is like cotton, and I want fur. Like they had an actual fur Hello Kitty one in the one near me. And this looks like they have a really shit selection compared to it is the next day and we're doing take 2 of this shit because they had nothing at the store that I went to yesterday, and I did check online this time and it says that they've got like a couple of materials possibly, so I'm just gonna go see what they have. Apparently they don't have the leopard print that I really want, which is fine because they have like 2 other options of leopard print in stock. And they also have like a skull print, which is on sale at the moment. So I'm hoping if they have that, which it says they do, then I might use that instead of leopard. I honestly don't know. I'm just gonna go there, see what they have, and hope for the best, and just see whatever the fuck is the cheapest. And apparently they have black fur, so I can at least do the dice. I'm gonna do a quick fit check before we go into Spotlight. This is the outfit. Very cute. I thrifted this bag, and then this is from Romwe, and my shoes are Doll's Kill, and then I just have this like random chain that is actually on my Vinted and my Depop. It's so multi-use, I literally have it around my leg. So let's go into Spotlight. Okay guys, the music in here is really loud, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but like instantly there's already so much better stuff. Like look at all this shit. Like, we could get sparkly and everything. Like, what the fuck? They did not have this in the other store. But I'm getting so distracted, so let's just look at what we're actually looking for. But there is so much, oh my god. This looks like the one that I liked. Hang on. No, wait, because there's so many now. Look. Like, oh my god. You see what I mean? The other one didn't have any of this. Like, you could even get... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Oh my god, guys. Look at this one. Oh my god, wait. Why is this kind of an option? She just say someone's filming the video. Yeah. But it is only $18. And the original one I was looking at was $24. I really love this, actually. Okay, so I found both of the fabrics that I actually came here for. There is this one with like skulls, and then the leopard print one is there. I like can't grab it. So this is on sale. Do you think that they would work together? No. No. Oh, no. I can't pick one though. I'm gonna just fucking try and decide. Let's just decide. Okay. I'm gonna put them next to each other. Like, this is better as a seat cover.
It would be comfier. It would be comfier, that one.
I do really fucking love this. It's just a really weird material to have on your seats.
It is.
Should I don't know. I almost want to be like, hey, can I just like walk out with both of them and a member of staff could come and stand with me while I just hold it against my car? I don't think they'd let me do that though, would they?
No, probably not.
Okay, now we have to pick out black fur for the dice. And I'm just gonna get like whatever's the cheapest. Oh my god, hold on. Ow. I have spikes at the back of my shoes. This really hurts. Right, what is this one? This looks like it would be the cheaper one out of those. Oh my god. Okay. 35. I don't even need a meter though, that's the thing. Oh my god, why are they all like the wrong way? Maybe in the clearance. I mean, I could use velvet. Or I could use that for the dice. We have found the fabric that I'm going to use for the dice because the fur is way too expensive. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of this plain black. And then we have this. Okay. The Juicy Couture steering wheel. It would look so good. I'm obsessed. Oh, they even have like a vanilla air freshener. Are you kidding? Oh my god. Okay, after like walking around the whole store, we have finally found some card ice. They don't have any black, but that's fine because we're covering them anyway. But yeah, $10, so pretty good. Let's go pay for these, and then it'll be time to glow up my car. Oh my god, it's a fucking air freshener. The cherries. Fun fact, I have no aircon in my car right now. I'm so glad that I got the material. I didn't end up getting what I wanted. I came here for leopard print and I left with spider webs. But a win is a win. I'd rather have multiple choice than like the other store yesterday that had literally nothing. Okay, so we need to do like a U-turn. Yeah. Or you can turn right, I believe. Oh my god, it is so fucking hot. We stopped off really quickly for some monster drinks and we're gonna do a taste review. Don't worry, I won't show your face. I don't know what this is. What is it? Can we do that thing where I guess what you've rated it depending on what your face looks like?
Sure. Lando Norris.
Okay.
No idea what this is.
I'm gonna guess it's like a 6.
Nah, I'd say that's honestly like probably a 4 or 5.
Damn, can I try it?
Nah, I do fuck with that.
No. It has like a really funky smell. You guys, someone has a Hello Kitty car in the car park and I want to like film it and show you guys, but also I don't want someone to get mad at me for like filming their car. Look at it, it's got Hello Kitty stickers all over it. So my dice look so questionable right now. Listen, I'm lazy. This is not meant to be like amazing. This is gonna come together once I've actually like done it. So I'm gonna sew on, I actually need to take this off my leg because this is literally what I'm using. I'm just gonna like sew these little like D hooks. I'm gonna sew them on the top part here. I think I'm gonna make that the top. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make that the top. I'm gonna sew them on there and then attach on the chains. So I'm not gonna film myself doing that because like it's just sewing. but this is what it looks like. I feel like it doesn't look as good on camera as it looks in real life. And I actually had so much more to even use on my back seats, but it's so like sparkly in the sun. I guess my camera doesn't pick it up very well. You guys, look how cool these look. They actually came out like way better than what I thought. I have no idea what you can hear because I have my fans literally blasting in my car. I feel like, I can't lie, in real life this is so like bad. It looks cheap. It looks like I've literally just like tied fabric. So I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit of a fail, but maybe if I have the time one day to actually sew my own, I don't know. Listen, this video didn't go as well as I planned, but I'm probably still gonna post it and hope that you guys got the vision and maybe it looks a little bit better. But I do love the dice anyway, like the dice is super cute. I'm gonna get out of the car now because it is fucking hot. I am dying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that this maybe motivated you to go and do some DIY.